What is up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB back again with another video. Hey, it is DIY Wednesday. However, go back to the last video. I talked about airing videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, Wednesday being the DIY Wednesday. What I didn't clarify is not starting this week. All of this is starting next week. I've got quite a bit of things, or quite a few things to finish up for Boys and Girls Club. And some other things I'm committed to. So next week, hey, gonna be some epic stuff. I'm actually working on a new intro for DIY Wednesday and working on a new intro for the channel, period. So hey, stay tuned for all that is going on with the channel. Just cleaned up the 5 Series. We've got something on the way. Take a look at this. I don't know what happened to that center cap. Just had tires installed the weekend before we went out of town. But these wheels are hideous, man. We've had this car for at least a year, and the wheels came that way, and they're starting to really peel and just look horrible. If I was the guy that changed these tires, I'd have been talking mad trash about this guy and having this car with wheels that look that bad. So we are getting ready to get these wheels repaired. I just got a quote from a local shop. Was trying to work something out with them, see if we could do some kind of partnership, sponsorship, or something to that effect. We'll see what we get worked out. So again, that's what's going on. That's what's going on for today. So no DIY Wednesday, but I did want to reach out to you all and just let you know, hey, there is some DIY content coming, because guess what? I actually still need to do the repairs to this car right here, or the maintenance, the service to the E92 M3. So a lot of that is coming. A lot of that is what you guys are wanting to see. So that is what's going to come for you. I've got the front brakes that I'm going to end up doing. I'm also hearing a little bit of like a little click or a little pop when I turn the wheel. Not in the sense of a CV joint. So I don't think it's that. It's not clicking as I'm turning the wheel, but as I come to a stop, or when I turn off and the wheel is turned. So it's either something coming from one of the joints, a ball joint, a bearing, something is causing for a pop. So when I get ready to do the front, or when I do the front brakes on this car, I am going to inspect the suspension on both sides, but I'm hearing it come from the driver's side. So I'm going to check that out. Again, I'm going to replace the cabin air filters. I'm also going to do the tune-up on the car, so be mindful of that. I didn't bring my keys out. I would pop the hood for you guys. But yeah, that's what's coming up. Also, while I have the wheels off, I never changed these the bulbs. I had gotten some bulbs a while back. Again, I am horrible when it comes to I guess doing upgrades and doing mods and stuff to my cars, because honestly, I just be happy to get the car and then any mods I do are just along the way. But I know for the benefit of the channel, that's a great thing now. So all of the things that I end up doing to the car is going to be content for the channel. So again, just be ready. All right, be ready for what's coming. You guys take care, stay tuned. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely check out my Instagram. I got links down below as far as all of my Instagram and all of my social media for Twitter. Well, pretty much just Twitter and Instagram. I don't really do a whole lot of Facebook, which I'm probably gonna have to step in and do for the channel, because I meet a lot of people that have Facebook, stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. I'll make sure I have the links for my social media definitely check me out. I did a video just earlier, just sharing with you, man. Hey, look, you got family members, friends you haven't talked to. Definitely reach out to them. Let them know you're okay. Let them know you're thinking about them. And, you know, life is short. We don't know when we're going. We don't know when they're going. Some things are left unsaid, unchecked, and then people leave, and you have no choice but to get into your feelings and feel some type of way about not handling business as you should have. Look, I just got back from visiting family, my son, my sisters, my brothers in Atlanta, Georgia. It was a great trip, and just to get back and people, you know, my good friends and even my brother that lives in Florida and my best friend that lives in Texas, you know, they were sharing with me some heartache that they went through. One was just some drama within the household, and then one was the death of someone that they truly respected, and you know, they're gone. But the flip side was, you know, they got some great news from another friend, and they got some great information about some other things that are going on, and it was awesome to hear that. And you know, look, just reach out, say what's up to everybody, say hello to your family and friends. That's all I wanted to say. You guys take care. I've got content coming, so do not don't fret. It's coming. You guys take care. As always, my servicemen and women, active duty members, fellow veterans, first responders, all my folks in the medical field working in healthcare, big salute to all of you. Y'all take care, and as always, keep driving.